Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best commercial leaf blower to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 commercial leaf blower. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Snap Fresh Leaf Blower. For home use, the Snap Fresh battery-operated blower can't be beaten. This 20-volt blower is budget-friendly and still holds its weight when it comes to cleaning up yards, lawns, patios, and driveways. Again, like others of its type, though it doesn't have a fuel tank, it can still blow at an air speed of 60 miles per hour and air speed of 130. It lasts 20 and 15 minutes respectively depending on the mode you use, but a full charge only takes 60 minutes to complete, thanks to its lightning quick charger. I was very happy with how effective this tiny blower was and how easy it was to move around, wrote one satisfied reviewer. I was able to completely clear out sawdust and dirt from the crevasses on the garage floor. I've since used the blower to clean off tool equipment and even the tile flooring in my house. Number 2. Ego Power Plus LB 5302 Cordless Leaf Blower. It can be hard to find battery-powered leaf blowers that run for long periods of time without needing a charge. But the brushless motor on this model can go for 90 minutes at a time. This Ego Power Plus blower comes with a battery and charger, but the brand also has a kit available for purchase that comes with special nozzles too for getting all the right areas. Many shoppers compared this blower to other options from Ryobi and Hitachi and found that the life and power of this one reigns supreme. It is so powerful that you don't have to use it on its most powerful setting, explained a buyer. If there is a tough spot, just press the turbo button and it's gone. Since you don't have to use the powerful setting all the time, your battery life will be extended greatly. Number 3. Husqvarna 350 BT Gas Leaf Blower. You can expect this backpack leaf blower from Husqvarna to last for a long time. The 2-cycle, X-torque engine powers through outdoor grime for hours but stays comfortable throughout the duration. Many owners of the blower noted that it can stand the test of time, with reviewers mentioning they've had no problems with it functioning for 5 years and longer. Husqvarna 350 BT Gas Backpack Leaf Blower combines a high-powered gas leaf blower with a state-of-the-art ergonomic design, the perfect gift for dad. The gas leaf blower backpack features an ergonomic harness system and an adjustable offset handle that makes the blow forces easier to control by preventing the arm from being pulled downwards. Though it sits on the heavier side, it understandably produces more power, meaning it's a top-notch option for a commercial backpack leaf blower. The 570 BTS is a monster, began one reviewer. This is probably one of the most powerful backpack blowers you would ever want to own. Number 4. Lawn Master NPTBL 31 AB Backpack Leaf Blower. Pull-start leaf blowers can be a pain and some take ages to get started. To cut out the time and energy wasted in yanking the cord, users can rely on Lawn Master's best backpack leaf blower for a quick and efficient startup. A push-start button fires up the machine in seconds and the gas-powered engine is supplemented with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Variable speed and cruise control allows users to boost power or extend battery life. Locking cruise control eliminates user fatigue. Anti-vibration engine mount, adjustable design with padded ventilated harness reduces fatigue and keeps the user comfortable during extended use. This backpack leaf blower can crank out an air speed of 175 miles per hour and can sweep away everything from damp leaves to tiny pine needles. Great value for this amazing blower, wrote one reviewer. It's strong and powerful. It is very easy to maneuver and super lightweight. Highly recommend. Number 5. Landworks Leaf Blower. This gas-powered, walk-behind leaf blower is a behemoth when it comes to hours-long jobs. Landworks leaf blower has an air speed of 200 miles per hour, and its fuel tank holds 0.7 gallons, allowing it to run for quite some time. Tackling leaves, debris, and snow, many owners mention that this starts on the first pull and is a must for landscaping, forestry, and even hefty home jobs. Always operate the machine according to directions in the user manual, always wear the appropriate ANSI standard hand and eye protection. Engine oil not included, must add upon UN boxing, only use this blower for lawn/garden applications. Our blowers are EPA certified/CARB compliant. This blower is amazing, wrote one reviewer who owns a landscaping company. This blower far exceeded that, I have actually recommended this product to several people in my industry. This blower is easy to start and maintain. I had no problems assembling it and it arrived very quickly. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.